हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू ब्लॉग। आज हम जा रहे हैं मेरे स्कूल, अंजी के स्कूल। So today we are going to celebrate Independence Day. Today is 15 August and we are going to our school. Yes.
बाटोमा चाहिँ यसरी है, यसरी चाहिँ पुरा सानसानो दुकानमा है झन्डा बेच्दै रहेछ।
Now we are about to reach the school and we are there. I have participated in parade and pyramid also.
Everyone is having class.
So excited. And we all are from class 4th and 5th. I am in Yellow House.
वाह, और ऐसा रॉकेट।
रॉकेट का नाम अच्छा लगता है।
हाँ, के हुँदैछ भन त? ला जाऊ हेलो भन न रोबोट लगाएर जाऊ।
जाती यह वतन की मोहब्बत है जनाब, पूछकर की नहीं जाती। आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय और उपस्थित मंच, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
28th Independence Day of a great nation, India. This is a day of pride, a day to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, and a day to celebrate the achievements of our beloved country, souls who laid their lives so that we could breathe the air of freedom. They dreamed of a free and a prosperous India, and it is our responsibility to keep that dream alive. एक साथ
स्वागत करती हूँ हमारी पहली प्रस्तुति का।
Let's continue this vibrant morning with the march past. Our young leaders from grades 4 and 5, along with the cabinet members, will lead this parade. Let's cheer them on with a big round of applause.
जय श्रीमान, श्रीमान SNVP के 140 छात्र आपके निरीक्षण के लिए परेड हाजिर अब। श्रीमान, परेड शुरू होने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ। जय श्रीमान।
और वो चले हमारे बहादुर छात्र आसमान को जीतने के लिए।
क्लास सेकेंड की बोल रहे हैं ना, इतनी छोटी।
Next participant is Shivaji from grade 9. They make it look so effortless. Our final participant is Miss Rajwala from grade 9.
They should dance. But it's not just a song, but a celebration of rhythm, energy and unity. Composed by brilliant M.M. Kiravani, with lyrics by Chandra Bose and recorded by Rahul Siplungi and Kal Bhariva. For the soundtrack for the film RRR, directed by S.S. Rajamouli. It is a masterpiece and is also the first song from India as well as from Asia to win an Oscar/Academy Award for the Best Original Song. This song, as Indians, we take immense pride in such event. Getting displayed by this song, watching it get lots of awards, we have realized that we should be proud to be an Indian and should never forget our roots. It has inspired us to strive for excellency in all fields, including arts.
Not salsa, not flamenco, my brother. Do you know? Not to.
What is Natu?
పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిట్ట దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజు ఊగినట్టు కిర్రు చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి సొట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప తొక్కు కలిపినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 ఊర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా పిచ్చనాటు నాటు 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 పిచ్చు కత్తిలాగా వెర్రి నాటు.
I've had enough of this nonsense! You two, out!
No, Jake, I've had enough of your bullying.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep cheering for our students.
కుండల తిరిపోయేలా ఢండల కరమోగినట్టు సెగులు సిల్లు పడేలాగా కీసు బిడ్డ కూసినట్టు చేలు సిటికెలేసేలా ఎవ్వారం సాగినట్టు కాలు సింధు తొక్కేలా దుమ్మారం రేగినట్టు ఒళ్ళు చెమట పట్టేలా వీరంగం చేసినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీల నాటు 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 ఊర నాటు 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 గట్ట పారలాగా చెట్ట నాటు 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 ఉక్కమోతలాగా దిక్క నాటు.
And now, the 95th Oscar Award for the Best Original Song goes to Natu Natu! And now, they'll perform the signature step of Natu Natu again.
నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 ఊర నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా
Our talented students from grade 7 to grade 10. Their vibrant energy and enthusiasm will surely captivate you. Are you all excited?
Yes!
बनना है और देश की सेवा करनी है.
पिताजी को तो खो दिया है, अब मैं तुझे नहीं खो सकती.
माँ, जैसे आप मेरी माँ हो वैसे धरती माँ भी मेरी माँ है और देश की सेवा करना मेरा फर्ज है. संडे से आते हैं इधर पाते हैं तो चिट्ठी आती है मुझे जाती है कि घर कब्रों को सलाम दे. वही थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा, मेरे घर में है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ. मेरी माँ के पैरों को छू के तू आप लोग अपने अपने घर जा सकते हैं. मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा.
आज पूरा देश क्रोधित है, पूरा देश आक्रोशित है और पूरा देश गुस्से से उबल रहा है.
जम्मू कश्मीर के अवंतीपुरा में आतंकियों ने सीआरपीएफ के काफिले पर हमला किया है. Tragic day for India. 40 CRPF jawans have been killed in the worst terror attack against security men in Kashmir.
भारत के धैर्य और सब्र को तोड़कर रख दिया.
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, अब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सा दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। ओ वतना रे मेरे वतना रे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। क्या बदले के लिए आपका खून खोल रहा है? कमांडर्स, who are we? इंडियन आर्मी ने जंग शुरू नहीं की थी, but we will bloody hell finish it. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? I said, how's the Josh? मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक है जाना, हर खतरा बोल रहा। प्यार करेंगे बनके दीवाना, हौसला बुलंद कर मुश्किल सब आसान करेंगे। जादू सारी रात खुली नींद में ख्वाब देखो लगा है जो ऐसा अभिशाप, फुट जाइए चल छुट फुट जाइए चल मुश्किल करके फना, लहू का पसीना मेरा फट जाए सीना मेरा, हिम्मतों से छू आसमान, फुट जाइए चल छुट
स्टूडेंट्स हैव पुट अ लॉट। सबसे पहले देखते हैं पिरामिड का प्रदर्शन। इस
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।
Look at that precision and flexibility of our students.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
Come
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी जाने के तन्ने आजा
The strength and determination of our boys has truly. Next, we have our girls.
दुनिया से जाके बोल दो ऐसे जागो रे साथियों दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा
The precision and balance was just remarkable. Sahara! Feel the excitement and the thrill in the air.
चक्का जुत्ते हत्थ मिलन बधाइया चक्का जुत्ते
Amazingly done.
जुत्ते हत्थ मिलन बधाइया कराया है फतेह करके सुरमा कमाने है जम्मया एक सुरमा
Our girls here have shown that with grace and determination, anything is possible. Let's cheer for them.
हमारी लड़कियों ने अपनी सुंदरता और लचीलापन से दिल जीत लिया है। उनके लिए जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें।
Their strength and discipline are on full display. Witnessing such talent is truly inspiring.
जो कक्षा 6वीं और 7वीं के छात्रों द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा।
Beyond the horizon, our journey to the cosmos has begun with small steps, but our ambitions were as vast as the universe itself. Let's embark on this incredible journey of Chandrayaan.
But unfortunately couldn't achieve a soft landing. However, it paved the way for Chandrayaan 2.
Yes, Chandrayaan 2 was our second mission, launched in 2019. It was an ambitious project. We had a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan, and we were confident of success. But fate had other plans. Unfortunately, Vikram lost contact during landing. Every aspect, every component, redesign the lander and make it more robust. Let us equip the rover with advanced instruments. We are determined to make it to the moon's surface this time.
Let the failure not deter us, but fuel our determination. Let the hope soar high. Chandrayaan 3 is not just a mission. It is a pledge to our nation. We have to succeed.
3 lies a complex interplay of engineering marvels. Let's delve into the intricate components that made this mission possible.
The backbone of the Chandrayaan. It needs to be built in such a way that it should be able to withstand the extreme conditions of space. Let's leverage URC's expertise, sir. It will be the instrumental in ensuring its durability. What about the thermal management? Excellent. And power? That's the lifeblood of the mission. That's taken care of, sir. VSSC's solar panels coupled with URSC's power management will keep the spacecraft energized. It is like controlling a remote energy grid. Team, navigation is paramount. Oh, your smile set is on? Yes, sir. I am working on it. Sun and star sensor plus laser-based altimeters and magnetometers from LEOS, which provide precise orientation. Also, SAC cameras and sensors will assist in hazard avoidance and imagery.
The propulsion system. Our spacecraft engine is a masterpiece of engineering. Our advanced thruster engines and thrusters are coupled with Bangalore steam control system. Will ensure that every maneuver is executed with absolute precision.
Let's ensure rigorous testing and the integrated hot and cold tests at SDSC SHAR. And with the Indian Air Force, we will push this aircraft to its limits.
Years of tireless efforts, countless sleepless nights, and unwavering dedication culminated in the launch of Chandrayaan 3. The same team from Chandrayaan 1 and 2, along with new talents, thousands of engineers, dedicated countless hours of Chandrayaan 3. And finally, the day has come. India's ambitious lunar mission, Chandrayaan 3.
It's T-minus 10 minutes. All system nominal. The propulsion system are go ready for ignition sequences.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Parents.
On July 4th,
170 kilometer, Abuja at 36,500 kilometer. Now, beginning a series of orbit racing manual, we generally increase the altitude to prepare for the trans-lunar injection.
these turned into weeks as Chandrayaan 3 entered lunar orbit. Precise calculations and expert maneuvering, the spacecraft trajectory was made it to set on the correct path of the moon. As Chandrayaan-3 journeyed through space, the ISRO team meticulously planned and executed the next crucial phase, the lunar orbit insertion.
Lunar orbit insertion confirmed.
August 5, 2023, a momentous achievement was reached. The Chandrayaan-3 entered lunar orbit. The spacecraft was now under Moon's gravitational influence. On August 5, 2023, a critical movement arrived. As Chandrayaan-3 entered lunar orbit, thanks to the expertise of ISTRAC in Bengaluru.
Now, the focus shifts to the lander module. Separation is the next big step.
On August 17, 2023, Vikram lander detached from the propulsion module, marking at the beginning of its recent preparations. The nation held its breath as Chandrayaan-3 embarked on this lunar odyssey on August 23rd.
And we have a live feed of Chandrayaan-3 launch. This is a historic moment for India. This is it, the moment of truth. Everything nominative, we are nearing the final stage. Affirmative, sir. All systems are go. We are initiating the engine's diagonally configuration.
Diagonal configuration confirmed.
By rotating the engines diagonally, we are minimizing impact on lunar surface. This will help preserve the landing site for future exploration and scientific studies. Excellent work, team. This is a crucial step ensuring the pristine landing.
Parents, please look over here. The final descent, the 20 minutes of terror. Every heart in the nation was pounding.
Successfully landed on the moon. India had made a history. नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आज आमच्या चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. आज आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन आलो आहे चंद्रयान 3चे लाईव्ह अपडेट्स. चंद्रयान 3 आता चंद्रावरती पोहोचलेले आहे.
Indian flag fluttered on the lunar surface, a moment of unparalleled pride for the nation. The Vikram and Pragyan began their exploration. The ISRO team
has been sending back images that are breathtaking. The lunar landscape is even more mesmerizing up close. We have collected invaluable data. We have lunar soil samples too. Great! Let's study the crucial parameters like mineral compositions.
After the mission, it went quiet. The harsh lunar light took its toll on Vikram and Pragyan. It completed its work resting under Moon's serene gaze. But the journey doesn't end here. The success of Chandrayaan-3 is a testament to the collective brilliance of Indian scientists, engineers and technicians. It's a symphony of technology and human ingenuity. The saga generations to come.
तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए बच्चों. बहुत ही अच्छा प्रदर्शन। आप सभी ने अभी अभी जो शास्त्रीय नृत्य देखा वह हमारे भारतीय संस्कृति और परंपराओं का अद्भुत प्रदर्शन था। हम अब आपको लेकर चलते हैं भारत की इन उपलब्धियों की ओर जिन पर हमें गर्व है।
I'm 2G, second generation of mobile network. I got test messaging and basic internet access to the world. My time was all about calling and testing. Oh, this is taking forever. I wish I could browse internet more faster. Maybe I can watch videos. Enter 3G. I am 3G, the third generation. I brought faster internet, video calling and mobile TV. Now you can surf and stream videos much more easily. This is much better, but sometimes it still feels slow. Especially when I am watching HD video. And then came 4G. the fourth generation. I offer even more faster speeds, HD video streaming and online gaming. I've made your mobile internet as fast as your home broadband. This online game is awesome with 4G. No more lag. Yay! But as technology keeps advancing, people needed even more speed, low latency and ability to connect more devices. Enter 5G. Hello everyone, I am 5G, the fifth generation of mobile networks. I am not just about speed, although I am incredibly fast. I offer ultra low latency, massive device connectivity and support for the Internet of Things. Lot. I enable smart cities, autonomous vehicles and advanced healthcare technologies.
With 5G, my business can operate more efficiently. Real-time data analytics and remote work are seamless now. Gaming is next level with 5G. Virtual reality is so smooth and there's no more lag at all. Telemedicine powered by 5G ensures remote healthcare access and saving lives with 5G. We envision a healthier, more connected India.
Amazing! 5G changed everything, how we live, how we work and how we play. And there you have it, folks! From simple text messaging with 2G to transformative power of 5G, mobile networks have come a long way and now the future is here, smarter, faster and more connected than ever. Let's enjoy the power of 5G in India!
Present here. INS Vikrant IAC-1 is India's first indigenously built aircraft carrier. It is a significant achievement for the Indian Navy and a test field of defense, design, innovation and infrastructure. Its presence bolsters India's strategic positioning in the Indian Ocean region. INS Vikrant represents a major leap in our naval capabilities. This majestic vessel is a symbol to India's growing prowess on the global stage. This is a shining example of Atmanirbhar Bharat or the Make in India initiative. Let us take pride in this remarkable achievement and continue to strive for excellence in further endeavors. Specifications of INS Vikrant.
IAC-1 indigenous aircraft carrier, length about 262 meters, beam about 62 meters, propulsion 4 gas turbines, power 88 megawatt, speed maximum speed 28 knots, range 7,000 nautical miles.
Timeline and origin.
Builder Cochin Shipyard Limited CSL Kerala, launched in August 12, 2013, commissioned by September 2, 2022, displacement of 45,000 tons.
Armaments and aircrafts.
Carrying capability up to 30 aircrafts, fighter jets MiG-29K, Rafale Tejas, helicopters Kamovka 31, MH-60R Dhruv.
Weapons.
Surface to air missiles, SAMS, close-in weapon system, CIWS, ski jump for short takeoff but arrested recovery, stow-bar operation, crew, it has a crew capacity 1,500 personnel, including officers, sailors and air crews.
बढ़ाए जा खुशी दे गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी
a broad field of technology that allows computers to perform advanced functions.
Today, you have to prepare a presentation on marketing plan for our new product. This presentation should be ready within 1 hour.
Okay, sir.
Within 1 hour? How is it possible, sir?
Yes, you have to prepare within 1 hour and mail it to me.
For me, it is not possible to make PPT in 1 hour. How to prepare a presentation on a short period of time?
It is highly impossible. Don't worry, guys. When the AI is there, no need to worry. Let's meet my AI friend ChatGPT. Hello, I'm ChatGPT, a learning assistant. I use artificial intelligence to understand and respond to human language and generate human-like responses based on users' input. I also brainstorm ideas for your project. Thank you, ChatGPT.
Okay, that's great. Sometimes I cannot frame sentences correctly. I make a lot of grammatical mistakes.
No worries, you can use Grammarly. Let's meet my friend Grammarly. Grammarly, I can automatically detect correct grammar and spelling and suggest alternative words for vocabulary enhancement. My aim is to improve quality and professionalism of written communication. Thank you, Grammarly.
Wow, with the help of this, we can write sentences correctly without any grammatical mistakes.
But Sarvi, what about the PPT? For PPT, we have Slides AI. Let's meet my friend Slides AI.
Hello, I am Slides AI. I help users to create visually appealing and professional presentations quickly using text, summaries or documents.
Thank you, Slides AI. That's amazing. There are some other tools used for the coding, such as Enki. Let us meet my friend Enki. Hello, I am Enki, an AI power app that helps professionals learn and improve their technical and data skills, including coding, AI no codes, and productivity tools. Thank you, Enki. Hello, I'm Alexa. I'm capable of natural language processing for tasks such as voice interaction, creating to-do list voice interactions, setting alarm, providing weather, traffic, sports, other real-time information, and news music playback.
हमारे यहाँ कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हम नाज है। ये ज़माना चाहो तो हमको आज़माना, यारबाज हम जानसाज हम इश्कबाज दिलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूटे के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा के हम इंडिया वाले।
Stop, Alexa.
And master of Yorkers, Jasprit Bumrah.
आजा आजा जिंद शामिल।
Let's give a rooming welcome to the master of cricket, the one and only Virat Kohli. Please welcome the dynamic and all-rounder, the powerhouse of Indian cricket team, the Hardik Pandya. Join us in giving a warm welcome to dynamic and explosive Surya Kumar Yadav, a true game changer in history of cricket. Welcoming a prominent cricketer, Ravindra Jadeja. Please welcome Akshar Patel.
welcome Arshdeep Singh. Please welcome Mohammad Siraj. Please welcome Kuldeep Yadav. Please welcome Shivam Dubey. Please welcome Rishabh Pant.
अपना है दिल ये आज का दुनिया से जाके बोल दो
Congratulations India, led by Rohit Sharma, ICC Men's T20 World Cup champion 2024. It's India who won World Cup after 17 years. It would be a request to Rohit Sharma and his team to accept the trophy. Congratulations India. Director sir, principal ma'am, coordinators, teachers and my friends.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for G20 event. I'm your host Purva Ratna Parkhi.
And I, Bhumi Sundle,
Will be guiding you through an incredible journey of G20 summit.
G forum that brings together the world's leading economies to discuss global economic issues. The symbol of G20 is the G20 logo, which represents group's identity of mission. The 7 leaves of lotus represent 7 C's. It was designed to convey global cooperation, economic growth of sustainable development.
The G20 summit in India was held on September 9 and 10, 2023 in Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. One family, one future. The theme represents Bharat's vision for sustainable, inclusive and human-centric development.
Graciously hosting this pivotal G20 summit.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की सम्मेलन भारत द्वारा आयोजित किया गया है.
Leaders of world's premier economies, the G20 delegates.
Prime Minister of Australia, Mr. Anthony Albanese. President of Brazil, Mr. Luis Silva. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. President of China, Mr. Xi Jinping. President of France, Mr. Emmanuel Macron. Chancellor of Germany, Mr. Olaf Scholz. President of Indonesia, Mr. Joko Widodo. Prime Minister of Italy, Ms. Giorgia Meloni. Prime Minister of Japan, Mr. Fumio Kishida.
President of Mexico, Mr. Andres Manuel Obrador. President of Republic of Korea, Mr. Yoon Suk Yeol. Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, Mr. Salman bin Al Saud. President of South Africa, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa. President of Turkey, Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan. Prime Minister of UK, Mr. Rishi Sunak. President of USA, Mr. Joe Biden. President of European Union, Ms. Ursula von der Leyen.
Today, we are thrilled to announce the inclusion of a new member to our esteemed G20 family, the African Union. This is a momentous occasion that underscores our commitment to a more inclusive and representative global dialogue.
So please welcome Chairperson of African Union, Mr. Azili Assoumani,
to address the G20 delegates.
Our esteemed leaders, distinguished delegates and honored guests, it is my great pleasure and honor to welcome each of you to the G20 summit hosted here in India. On behalf of the people of India, I extend my heartfelt welcome and express my gratitude for your participation. Let us seize this opportunity to make us strengthen our partnership, deepen our understanding, and make a tangible impact on the global stage. Thank you for joining us and for your unwavering commitment to our collective success.
proceed to meeting session of Bharat with country USA, Saudi Arabia, UK, Japan, France and Russia. These meetings
Welcome, esteemed leaders of the G20 summit. It is an honor to host this crucial meeting. Our goal today is to discuss global challenges and find solutions that would benefit all of humanity. So let's begin the summit.
Thank you for welcoming us all here. We are here to address the pressing global economical challenges. We should not interfere with the environment and also support sustainable development. So let us consider the situations in how we can reduce carbon emissions and as well as invest in green technologies.
Absolutely. We need to strike the balance between economic growth and environmental development. Our citizens expect us to lead the way in fighting climate change while ensuring the environmental development. Energy is indeed vital, but we need to diversify our economies in order to reduce the dependency on oil. We are working towards a future where renewable energy plays a significant role, and we encourage others to do the same.
We believe in fair trade of all economies. However, we need to address issues like trade imbalance and protectionism. By working together, we all can ensure that economies grow.
Churches and convents of Goa. Historic churches and convents from Portuguese colonial era. Sun Temple, Konark, Odisha. A 13th century temple dedicated to sun god, designed in the shape of carrier. The Buddhist stupa is a profound symbol of Buddhist spirituality and a significant architectural achievement. A part of one big family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and they can achieve a brighter future together. G20 spirit will continue to inspire us until we meet again next year.
Now, as we conclude our Leadership Walk Act explaining the G20 Summit, hope it was entertaining and informative. G20 Summit was done on a global level, but it is also our responsibility to take care of our Mother Earth as well as look forward to the issues taking place in the world.
Thus, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
खेलेंगे होली कर वतन मुश्किल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है ये हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर, हाथ जिनमें हो जुनून कटते नहीं तलवार से, खून से खेले सर जो उठ जाते हैं वो झुकते नहीं ललकार से, हाथ जिनमें हो जुनून कटते नहीं तलवार से, सर जो उठ जाते हैं वो झुकते नहीं ललकार से, और भड़केगा लो बढ़ चले हैं ये कदम। जिंदगी तो अब हमारे दिल में है, दिल में तूफानों की टोली और नसों में इनकलाब।
हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानतन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानतन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
आपले काय इकडं मागे
पतंग पल खाती रेलों में, गन्नों के मीठे में, खद्दर में छींटे में, कफ्ता बोरी समाज निकले और खुल के आज बिखरे, मन ना ऐसी होती रग रग मचल के बोली जस है ना।
प्रत्येक वेळेस पालक आपल्या मुलांसोबत शाळेत जाताना किंवा घरी येताना नसतो. त्यामुळे एक कॉलेजला मुलगी चाललेली आहे आणि तिला गुंड छेडत आहे, तर प्रत्येक शाळेच्या वस्तूचा उपयोग होतो. हर घर तिरंगा, तसंच प्रत्येकाच्या घरी स्वसंरक्षणासाठी मुलगी कराटे शिकलीच पाहिजे. तर आता ही मुलगी कॉलेजला जात असताना तिला गुंडाने अडवलेलं आहे. ती स्वतःचं संरक्षण गळ्यातल्या ओढणीने कसे करते तो थोडक्यात पाहिजे. भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की. थँक्यू, धन्यवाद.
That there are few enthusiastic parents in the crowd who wants to give their live review. Given this, we are really happy, and because we are giving that time to the parents, I'm cancelling my speech. So dear parents, please do come on the stage, the ones who wanted to give review and the ones who approached coordinators.
हामी 15 अगस्तको प्रोग्राम सकेर घर जाँदैछ हो. यस्तो गर्मी छ हो. आयन्स र पापा चाहिँ है, आयन्सको पापा चाहिँ दुईजना चाहिँ अघि नै गएर गाडीमा बसिरहेको छ. हामी चाहिँ प्रोग्राम सकेर फर्किन्छौँ. र अहिले चाहिँ हामी घर आइपुग्यौँ र हाम्रो सोसाइटीमा पनि है राम्रोसँगले डेकोरेसन गरेको रहेछ. सधैँ त म यहाँ सोसाइटीमै इन्डिपेन्डेन्स डे मनाउँथेँ र आज चाहिँ फर्स्ट टाइम हो है 15 अगस्तमा चाहिँ हामीले गएर मनाएको.